Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make these mini chairs and stools using bamboo stick and bottle caps. Cut small pieces of sticks and paste all of them using hot glue gun and look, it's ready. So we're going to use a paper cup, cut it into half and paste ice cream sticks around it, make a bucket shape. Now take small sticks, cut them and paste all of them, make the roof, paste them using hot glue gun and it's done. Take these ice cream sticks and mark 3 dots. We're going to make a hole at the center and cut it from both the sides. Your bow and arrow is ready. Here we're going to make these mini chairs. So cut the base of the paper cup, use straws and paste it. Make the legs of the chair, use hot glue gun and look, your mini chairs are ready. You can change the color. Let's make spinning wheel using bamboo sticks. So we're going to make 2 such stands and put them together. Let's make the wheels using bottle caps. Paste all of them and then paste the sticks. Make a circle, put it on the stand and look, it is ready. Here we're going to use these eggshells and recycle them in a beautiful way. Color it and crush these shells and paste it on the top of the flower vase. You can draw the shape, use clays and make the flowers and simply paste it on the top of it. Look how pretty this artwork is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.